and gentlemen, and welcome to another vloggy vlog as we are cruising for a bruising on this beautiful Monday. I took today off as a personal day just to you know, go for a little bit of a cruise. I figured, why not, you know? And I'm actually going out to, I'm not sure exactly where. It's kind of like about an hour, about 50 miles up north. Can I take a right here? Oh no, there's no turn there. Damn. Yeah, so I'm going about an hour north. With some buddies, and they're gonna do some fishing, and I'm just gonna do some chilling. I'm gonna just watch them. Kind of wanted to go for a little ride this weekend. I was gonna do great things, but I didn't do anything, didn't go anywhere. Just kind of was a chill, low-key weekend, which is not a bad thing. Certainly not. But you know how it is. Can't win them all. We got a little race between these two trucks, I'm guessing. Pretty impressive. Oh, I forgot to plug in my thingy. Don't want to be going too fast here. Want to be on the speed limit, you know? To plug in my phone to charge because this baby will die. Making sure not to go over the speed limit because we'll need to turn this ride into a $50 extra ride. And he feels good, which makes it extra unfortunate that I need to get surgery. But it's also life. That's how life works sometimes. All right, I gotta plug in. Where is the charging port? Right here. Got plenty of gas. I think we're all set. Want to make sure I got my wallet with me, which is not necessarily true. Thank you. Thank you. Favorite Taco Bell over here. I'm over Taco Bell though. Taco Bell was not that exciting last time I had it. Downright boring. Downright boring. Look at this folk. Bro, are we doing this? great. And I'm meeting my buddy Lukas right now in a few minutes here. gonna ride up together while the rest of the crew goes in a truck, Adam Dirty Billy's pickup truck. Not really in the mood to split today for some reason. Not super crazy about it. As I split. What is going on here? I guess this is the pace. I thought there was something going on here, but that's just what we're gonna do here. We're lucky enough to be behind a big fat excavator. Actually no, a really small tiny excavator, to be honest, but big enough to screw up the flow of events. Look at this freaking Momo bird. And he runs a red light. That's amazing. Not a very exciting vlog, but vlog nonetheless. The bag is still there. Good. It might be alright after all. Curious to see how this baby acts when it warms up. Not touching the throttle advance, not touching nothing. This person's gonna go slow. Bro, really? Fuck. I can't do that. That guy was gonna like stay there for 20 minutes. What are we doing here? It's a full out action today. There's just like activity everywhere, buddy. All right, we made it. Just when I thought I was gonna have a conniption, we snuck through. Where's my buddy? What up, bruh? Look at me, I'm taking all sorts of risks. Just turned it off, expecting it to turn back on. This is Lukas, everyone.
What's up?
Bro, no, I was like, no fear. You can't live in fear. I put in a new part, the bike works. And the story. Like now I'm concerned about my knee, you know, like the bike is just trivial. I don't have my headset, so we'll just ride in silence. Recording, all good. So yeah, I'll just follow you and, you know, I'm all gassed up too. Take a straight shot. Hopefully they bought us some water. Right?